Do you ever wish you could shoot a picture and then crop it right after in the camera? Well, with the a7IV you can. I'll show you. Sometimes when you're out shooting a picture with your a7IV, you shoot an image and you're a little too short, or it just doesn't look right, or it's not a square and you want it for Instagram or whatever. A lot of people don't realize it's possible to crop in camera with the a7IV. Welcome to episode 3 of Doing More with your a7IV. We're going to talk about in-camera cropping in this episode. Okay, so just get your a7IV in your hand, press the menu button, and kind of follow me down into the playback section. In playback, you're going to go to the right once, and you're going to go down to number 5, which is the edit button. And then when you go to the right again, the first option is crop. And here's how this works. So in the crop mode, what's going to happen is you can either hit the center button or you can hit the right button. Either one's going to do the same thing. And what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to look at all the images that you have shot on your card. Now once you find one that you kind of like, I'll just pick this one for yucks, you'll hit the enter button, which is the center of the button in the back of the camera. Now I can either use the aperture wheel, I can use the rear control dial, the round one, and then I can use the joystick to crop the image as I want to. Now, one of the things that's cool about this is up in the upper right, you see it says 3:2. If you go to the wheel that's directly above the AF on button, you can spin that thing and it will give you the different proportions that are available in the a7IV. So a lot of video content has the same hole as a still picture in websites and on stuff. So you can actually crop to 16:9, even though you shot the photograph originally in 2:3. Hey, if you're in the middle of this video and you're digging this content, please hit the subscribe button. This way I can continue to do more content like this. Thanks so much. Or if you're wanting to push an image out to Instagram, you can just simply go to 1:1 and pick an image like this, and then hit the center button again on the back, and that will give you this crop. So it's very simple. Now, the great thing about this is that when you go into crop mode, the camera automatically duplicates the photograph. So you're not messing up an original picture. It's still on your card and it's safe. But it's really nice to be able to do this option, and then you can go and push out, hit the function button and then go and send this to your phone or whatever. So this is a wonderful way to operate when you're out in the field and you don't really want to wait till you get home and have a laptop or a computer to go through all your pictures you want to show your friends right now. So this is a fabulous way. And then as a sports photographer, it's huge because when you're shooting a game, you can actually, during the game, when a great play happens, if you have a nice picture of it, you can just immediately share it on social media and not make people wait. I hope this has been helpful to you. Cropping in camera is a really, really huge benefit, not just to pros, but to amateurs and pro amateurs alike. I'm Pat Murphy-Racy, Sony Artist of Imagery, saying thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like my content.